Hi, my name is Jim Porter with Clinton Hill School for Piano in Brooklyn, New York. I'm here today to talk about how electric pianos work. Electric pianos do not have strings. They have electronics. In some ways, an electric piano is a lot like a computer for music. They record every key individually. And then they program that sound into the keyboard's computer. And it can be louder and softer, but that sound is there for every key. So a really expensive keyboard can come closer to duplicating the fabulous sound of a great piano. The advantages of electric piano, first of all, is its portability and the fact that it's relatively inexpensive. An acoustic piano of any size, if it's new anyway, is going to be more money. Electric pianos never need to be tuned. They never need to be adjusted. Another advantage to a keyboard is at a flick of a button you can be playing drums, a pipe organ, a piano, or strings, or numerous other instruments. Disadvantages to playing the electric piano, number one, is that you don't have the fabulous sound of a truly great piano. Number two, the touch, even with pianos, electric pianos with weighted keys, is not as good and as sensitive as the action in a fine grand piano. You need to have a tremendous amount of subtlety in the touch. So they've improved electronic pianos tremendously in that range, but it's still nowhere equal to a fine acoustic piano.
This is a 76 key keyboard, which is very expansive. It has a half octave less only on the higher and lower ends of the board, which are seldom used. So this provides a user with most of the keys and sounds that you would normally use in everyday playing, but at an affordable price. And the sound system in these is absolutely excellent. These have a very large amount of tones pre-built in. This one has 400 advanced sounds already programmed into it. All you have to do is select it and play. It has a lot of effects that you can add, including a Hammond drawbar organ with drawbar adjustments available to you right here. It has auto accompaniment. It has a full rhythm section. It's very, very comprehensive. This is a 76 key keyboard.